Hi, and explain why the animal rights movement is failing. More animals than ever in history are used and abused in the worst conditions as well. What is the reason for this? Beyond Meat is the fastest growing stock in a long time. Millions of people are going vegan or vegetarian or cutting back on animal products. So why are more animals than ever in history tortured and abused in the worst conditions ever, factory farms? And it's due to two issues. The human overpopulation crisis, 7.7 billion people, and most eat 37 land animals per year, not counting many fish. How many of each animal do you think that is? Not even one cow per year per person. It's because people are giving up red meat because they think white meat or factory farmed drugged up birds are healthier. And they also think it's better for our environment. So they're switching and eating more most abused small factory farmed bird products, as well as fish farmed or trawler net fish. The USDA welfare subsidies makes meat cheaper as well, encouraging people to eat more because most eat by price, taste, and convenience, or acquired taste, price, and convenience. So we need to petition to defund animal ag from the Farm Bill. And we also need to promote for the birds and less on the cows and dairy. So, people eat more animals than ever in history from the worst conditions. And it's mostly due to birds and fish. So vegans are making a huge mistake by not focusing on the birds and fish. 95% of all animals tortured and killed are for poultry and fish. So they should get 95% of our time and attention. Thank you, and share if you care.